Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today it's a very special day. I have bought my car here in Abrar bhai's shop. As you can see in my backdrop, Abrar bhai's shop is here and lot of spare parts, lot of accessories over here. And I have bought two sets of LED DRLs. I will show you right away. This is the one that I bought from Abrar bhai's shop and this is the one that I bought from Amazon. So Abrar bhai is now testing the one that I have bought from Amazon. अबरार भाई जरा टेस्ट करके बताइए ये वायर कहाँ पे फिट होगा।
सर ये जो ब्लैक वायर आ रही है ना ये ग्राउंडिंग में जाएगी आपकी।
अच्छा, और कार की बॉडी में
रेड वायर चाहिए ना ये पार्किंग में जाएगी। अच्छा। और ये जो येलो वायर है ना ये इंडिकेटर में जाएगी।
ओके ग्रेट, जरा टच करके बताइए कि कैसे काम करता है।
पार्किंग ऑन करिए सर।
आई एम गोइंग टू टर्न ऑन द पार्किंग बल्ब्स। हियर इट इज। Parking bulbs are on and see how it looks. So before you install this, you have to make sure that the parking lights DRL are going in the right direction, or else you will be in trouble and you'll have to remove the entire set and reinstall it. That will not be good. अबरार भाई अब ये दूसरा वाला जो है जो अभी हमने आपके शॉप से लिया है इसको भी एक बार टेस्ट करके बताइए, दोनों की क्वालिटी पता चलेगी। दिस वन इज समवट एक्सपेंसिव वन एंड अबरार भाई इज गोना show you how it looks, what is the quality. I can clearly see that this one somewhat looks better than the one that I have ordered from Amazon, that one. This one is a bit thicker, wider and looks better in terms of quality. Now look at the difference, look at the glow of this light. This one is far better than the one that is here. That's an Amazon one. So I'm gonna use this one instead of this one and that will be great. Let's see how the indicator looks like. It's much better. So I'm gonna take this one. Thank you Abrar bhai, yahi wala lagaiye. So now the installation has already started and Abrar bhai is gonna connect the wire. Now one thing that you have to notice that there is a box over here which is somewhat like a controller. So in case of like overcharge, it will protect the lights from getting fused. Before you stick this to the DRLs, you have to make sure that this portion of the car is clean and clean it with a clean cloth or water or alcohol. As you can see, there are a lot of this dusty stuffs over here, so that the glue will work perfectly fine.
give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly, never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady, look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grade 6 feet like Kenny. Call me a god. Call me a god. Call me a god.
Finally, I have completed the DRL installation in my car, and this is how it looks. Absolutely beast, beautiful, fantastic, very nice and very mean looking DRLs. You can see it. Now I'm gonna turn the indicators and the hazard lamp. This is how it looks. Absolute mean, beautiful and very eye-catchy. It will look great during the night time, and I am hoping that you like the product. If you like this product, you can order it from Amazon, or you can also reach out to Abrar bhai. He is an expert in spare parts, and this is his shop. I am going to leave the contact details of Abrar bhai in my video description. You may contact him and reach out to him and get this DRL done. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more modification updates for my Tata Punch. Until then, have a great weekend. Have a good day. Bye bye.